Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Alright y'all, so it's going to be the second video in a row that I have filmed today because I'm trying to be productive because this will probably be my last day off for a couple of months, and so yeah, we're going to go ahead and film some videos. I've only got 2 on my brain today, but yeah, so today we're going to be doing my Sephora play box. I just filmed a BIRCHBOX unboxing, but I guess technically I could have included them both in one video, but I wanted to make sure that I had a video for both Monday and Wednesday, so that way I would be covered for at least those days. So you feel me. And so yeah. Alright y'all, so if you're interested in seeing what Sephora Play sent me, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this, go ahead and hit the big red support button down below and the notification bell right next to it. And that way you can always be notified of my uploads, which are usually every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And as of late, since I do need watch time, I've been doing weekly lives on Tuesdays and Thursdays usually. So I'll probably do those until I get more caught up on my watch time, but yeah, so come on back to my channel on those days for new stuff, and let's just see what's Sephora. Alright, y'all. So this is like the cutest bag ever. Like, look at that. It's pink and yellow and has makeup brushes and a ruler and pencil and whatnot. How freaking cute. Back to beauty school. Alright, y'all. Let's open this bad boy. Alright, first thing I see is this Amika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner. Have y'all tried this? And if you have, let me know. I don't think I've tried too much from Amika. I've only tried their dry shampoo, which I don't like it because it leaves a white cast in my hair. And, yeah. Alright, so, what does it say? Apparently this is a frizz fighting shampoo and conditioner. Guess we'll read more about this when we get to the little card. Now this is cool. I've never tried anything from Moroccan oil except the actual oil itself, but it's the dry texture spray. That's cool. Wonder if this would be good for my hair, because most things like this definitely dry my hair out. It says for all hair types. Huh. I guess we'll read about this in a second too. Oh man, I got another one. Look, I just got this in IPSY. So beautiful. Well, now I guess I've got 2 of them. Yep, same color and everything. Alright. And y'all did show an interest in me doing my Get Ready With Me using only samples video, so I'll be starting that very soon. Alright, the next thing I see is this Laneige, ooh, bougie, Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. That is so cool. Okay, I'm intrigued. And it literally is like a little cream gel. That's, wow. Okay. I'm really excited to try this. Okay, it says apply evenly across face, leave treatment overnight, and rinse off in the morning. Use once or twice a week. This is going to be really awesome for my weekly ritual. Okay, definitely excited about that. That's so cool. This right here was probably cost more than the box. Alright, the next thing I see, ooh, it's something from NARS. Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. So it's a primer. Oh yeah, it is a primer. Very cool. Oh, okay. So it is. It's literally like, that's cool. You can't really see that, but it's just that little white stuff right there. That's cool. Never tried that. Might have to. I've not had a an eyeshadow base sample in a long time. Last one I had was Urban Decay. So very excited about trying this. This was probably cost more than the box too. Alright, the next thing I see is, what is this? Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. And the color Clear. Ooh, okay. Have y'all tried this? And if you have, let me know. That's pretty cool. Can't even get it out of that packaging. Okay, so I can't get it out of that packaging. Huh. I'd be tempted to try this. My mom was actually asking me about a lip plumper the other day. Ugh, finally got it out of that packaging. Well, it's definitely clear. You can't probably even see that, but dear God. All right. Okay, on to the little paper, shall we? Good box, good box. Beauty's Gold. All right, so, and here is the little pamphlet. And it says Ace the Base, NARS Pro Prime Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base, a crease proof eyelid primer that sets eye makeup for all day wear. Why it gets an A+. This lightweight, long-lasting base creates a fresh canvas by reducing redness and evening out discoloration while keeping your eye makeup in place and giving maximum color payoff, plus anti-inflammatory extracts that nurture and protect skin. And, of course, we all know how to use. Use the wand to apply a small amount to your lid, then blend with fingertips before applying eye makeup. I'm very excited to try that. And apparently the Ciate London was an exclusive. That's cool, but I got it in IPSY, so. Why it gets an A+. Get that just back from summer break glow with this dazzling highlighter. It uses velvety soft pigments and celestial duochrome pearls for a smooth, blendable finish, and that captures and reflects light. And it is gorgeous. I've watched it on my hand from IPSY. It's so pretty. It is a fluffy brush to lightly dust over cheekbones, chin, and brow bone whenever the light hits your face. Extra credit. Use a clean eyeshadow brush for small areas like the bridge of your nose or the cupid's bow. Of course. Finish the top of the class. Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray. A finishing texture spray that delivers voluminous undone looks that last all day. This dry finishing spray produces bold styles with argan oil infused formula. The result, strands that are loaded with long-lasting texture and touchable flexibility. Shake well and hold 10 inches and spray 10 inches away from dry hair and even sweeping strokes. Uses a prep for braids and updos to lock hair into place. Okay, I might use it. I don't know. I'm not too big on using hair products. And Lord, as you can tell, because my hair looks kind of iffy today. Alright, Full Ride to Full Lips, which was also an exclusive. Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper in Clear. A hydrating, colorless lip plumper that visibly smooths and defines instantly and over time. Why it gets an A+. This translucent treatment visibly improves lip volume in just 3 to 5 minutes. Volume Lip provides a plumping effect while hyaluronic acid moisturizes and enhances firmness. Apply to dry, clean lips and layer products on top, or use alone for a no makeup look. If the tingle means it's working. Okay, I'm excited to try that. Of course, I don't necessarily need like lip plumping, but I do need a lip hydrator. So, all right, you snooze, you win. Laneige Laneige. How do you say that? I don't even know. Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. A sleeping mask that deeply hydrates for a glowing complexion in the morning. Alright, so why it gets an A+. This overnight mask gives you a revived complexion even if you didn't get those full 8 hours of sleep. Petite skin is smooth, hydrated, and refreshed with hydroionized mineral water, orange flower, and rose and sandalwood ingredients. My husband is really trying hard to distract me. I'm trying hard not to laugh and just finish this video. And how to use. Apply as a last step in your nightly skincare routine once or twice a week. Apply a dime-sized amount evenly across face and rinse off in the morning. Sounds like I'm really going to like that. Alright, so this month's bonus, voted Best Couple, IAMACREATOR Velveteen Dream Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner. A shampoo and conditioner duo that adds body and protects against dryness. The key benefits are it smooths, it strengthens, and adds luster. Okay, so that sounds awesome. Oh, and how cute. There's a little quiz on the back of it. How cool. It says pop quiz on there. That's really cool. Alright, y'all, so I am super excited about this box. Like, this was really a good box. In fact, I might need to, ignore him. In fact, when I'm editing, as I'm telling you about the product, I might go ahead and put the prices on there because I feel like this box was expensive. And I only paid $10 for it. So, yeah. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. What did you get in your Sephora play? Or do you do Sephora play? I feel like this one was a good one. Alright, and if you don't do Sephora play, what do you do and what did you get in your box? I always love to know what other people get in their boxes. It's always intriguing to find out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, share, comment, and support, especially if you're new, because I do upload a video on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Of course, sometimes life gets in the way and I have to post it a day late, but we're not talking about that right now. And of course, since I do need watch time, I've been doing lives on the weekly, usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays, since I don't upload a video on those days. So that's when you can be looking for new content from me. So yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and it so warms my heart that y'all would come back, that y'all would keep coming back to my channel and supporting me. I love y'all so much. Y'all mean the world to me. I just want y'all to know that. Thank you so much for watching, because I know you don't have to. Alright, bye guys. Bye. Alright, Great Glow. A long wear shimmering luminizer in a pearlescent pink hue. Get that just back from summer. Get that just back from breaks. Why use an A+. Get that just back from summer break glow with this dazzling highlighter. It uses velvety soft pigments and celestial duochrome pearls for a soft, smooth. Alright, you snooze, you win. Laneige. Oh my god. You're a distraction. Hello? Hello? Oh my god. Okay, back to the video. Why gets an A+. This overnight mask gives you a revived complexion even if you didn't get those 8 full hours of sleep. Fatigued skin is smoothed, hydrated, and refreshed with hydroionized mineral water, orange flower, rose, and sandalwood ingredients. Oh my god. Okay, let's try this again. Dude, stop! You're on my nerve. Okay, so. Oh my god! Evan. Little bit. No, I heard what you said. You don't have to repeat it.
Don't you like that stuff?
Really? No, I don't. Anyways, don't listen to him. He's crazy. And this month's bonus is a voted best couple. IAMACREATOR Velveteen Dream Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner. Can I please finish this video? Actually, you are. I'm working on that.
Is it working?
No.
Alright then.